Hi guys, today I've got this easy messy bun hairstyle which you can recreate in under 5 minutes. To start, divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip the front section away. Do this on both sides. I've started on curly hair, but this can be done on straight hair as well. Next, divide the hair straight across. And with that top half, I'm just going to put it into a high ponytail. Clip this ponytail on top of the head for later. Take the remaining hair and pop it into another high ponytail. On the last turn, only bring the ends part way through to create a loop. Apply some dry texture spray over that loop. I'll pop all the products I use in the description below. Then grab each side of the loop and pull it outwards to fan it out. Then secure to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. Release that top ponytail down and we're going to split it in half. And taking the left hand side, I'm going to bring it over to the right, twisting it towards the head, and I'm going to hold it going down the top and right hand side of that loop we've just pinned. So just secure it with a couple of bobby pins at the top and at the side. Make sure you leave the ends hanging loose. Take the rest of the ponytail, again twist it towards the head. This time we're going to bring it down the left hand side of that loop, securing it with a couple of pins. Again, leave the tail ends loose. Add some wax spray along the top of the head. Again, I'll list this below. And then gently pinch and pull at the hair at the crown for some more texture. I'm going to take the tail ends from that bottom ponytail, leaving a couple of bits out. And I'm just going to twist it towards the head and pin it directly over that elastic band so you can't see it. Next, take the hair on the right hand side, again leave a couple of curls hanging down. With the rest of the hair, twist it towards the head, bring it over to the opposite side of the bun and secure with a pin or two. Do the same on the left hand side, so leave a couple of curls down, twist the rest of the hair towards the head, bring it to the opposite side of the bun and secure. Then we're going to release those side sections and I'm going to leave a little bit out to frame the face. With the rest of the hair, I'm going to pull this to the side of the bun, using my fingers to loosen it up. And I'm just going to pin it to the side of the bun. And I'm going to bring the tail ends up and over the top, giving them a twist. And then just secure with a bobby pin. And we're simply going to repeat it on the opposite side. So leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Gently bring the rest of the hair back to the side of the bun. Twist the ends, bring them over the top, and then just secure that hair at the side of the bun. With the tail ends, keep twisting them, bringing them over to the opposite side, and secure with a bobby pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.